sembut mesirang ba ke jela ba Prestone tinsong habaya sya ya ke pelong lingkot ya ke Dorbar senrai ke badang syukut ula ting ya kinong yalam ke Liang Pyrshah da ke baong haba ki Dawa ban Pynjlan ya ke Dorbar bon naki kimla ban syong ha Dorbar watang da ki kinta pat ke sarkar jela kala kinbha hashwa ban Pynbiang ya ke kalendar.
I don't have much to say because even the very first day itself, when we seek approval of the House with the proposed calendar recommended by the BAC, I think one of the honorable members, so he stood and rise and said that we need more days. But ultimately, I clarified also that, well, in the cabinet, in the BAC, we already sat and we already discussed all the details. So ultimately, we found out that 2 days for government business and 2 days for the private members business is good enough for this autumn session. So accordingly he agreed, and that also we were so flexible by saying that even the honorable speaker, he said, in case on day-to-day basis, if need be, he'll extend the sitting of that particular day or particular business till the item is disposed. So let me tell you one thing, as far as government business is concerned, you have seen it. We did not have much. We dispose of accordingly. But as far as private members business is concerned, I've seen the opposition are totally disorganized among themselves, because see, when you submit the for example the motion should be submitted at least with a reasonable numbers of the motion, and that also with the understanding of all the members of the opposition that okay, let us take this which is very important, and then let us make sure that we can discuss and dispose it off. But you must have seen in the calendar and then in the business of the day, every day you will see the additional item like zero hour notice, short duration discussion, special motion. In fact, these are unnecessary, because this one we never discuss in the BAC, because BAC, as I said, we allotted only the calendar in each day. But within that day itself, as I said to you, there are items, because we don't know, we never expected that they'll submit call attention motion, 0 hour notice, short duration. I personally feel, this is only for the sake of saying, because see, otherwise if you sit inside the house, you have seen it. I think the press, media people also were there. You saw some of them sometimes while replying they were not there. Sometimes they can't even sit for 1 hour. So see what are we to do? So therefore, from the government side, let me tell you one thing. We have been doing justice, and we continue to do so, be it for the private members business or be it for the government business. But let me tell you one thing, we calculated well. Before we finalized the calendar, we calculated well that okay, from the government business is this is much days we require, and then the private members business also this is